Ever wondered what makes React so powerful and simple? It's JSX. Short for JavaScript XML, JSX is a unique feature that allows us to write HTML-like code within our JavaScript. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's talk syntax. Normally, in traditional HTML, we might pen down a paragraph tag like this: less than sign, p, greater than sign. Hello world, less than sign, slash, p, greater than sign. But in JSX, we do the same, just inside a JavaScript function. It looks something like this: const my element equals less than sign, p, greater than sign. Hello world, less than sign, slash, p, greater than sign. Spot anything cool here? We're directly using HTML-like syntax in our JavaScript code. That's what JSX is all about. It allows us to describe our user interface in a way that feels natural and easy to read. But where JSX really shines is in its dynamic nature. Think of JSX as a bridge, a marvelous bridge between HTML and JavaScript. This bridge is not just a static structure, it's dynamic, and that's where its real power lies. Unlike regular HTML, JSX isn't a standalone entity. It lives and breathes inside JavaScript. Imagine for a moment you're writing a piece of HTML code. It's static, right? It just sits there looking pretty. But with JSX, you can infuse life into your HTML-like code. You can make it dynamic using JavaScript. Time for an example. Let's say we have a constant named name, assigned the value React Learner. Now we want to greet this React Learner in our JSX. How do we do it? Simple. We use a set of curly braces. Here's how it looks. Const name equals sign, React Learner, const greeting equals sign, hello, name. Did you see that? The name inside the tags is a JavaScript expression, and it's right there, embedded within our JSX. When this code runs, the JavaScript expression gets evaluated and replaced with the value of name, which in our case is React Learner. And voila, we've just inserted a JavaScript expression in JSX just by wrapping it in curly braces. This is the dynamic nature of JSX, and it's truly what sets it apart. It's not just about writing HTML-like code in JavaScript. It's about making that code dynamic, adaptable, and alive. It's about blending the expressiveness of HTML with the power of JavaScript. We've just inserted a JavaScript expression in JSX just by wrapping it in curly braces. That's the essence of JSX. We've journeyed through its intriguing syntax, a harmonious blend of HTML and JavaScript. We've witnessed its dynamic nature, allowing us to inject JavaScript values directly into our markup. And we've seen how JSX simplifies the creation of React components, making the process feel almost natural. It might seem a bit alien now, but with practice, it will soon feel like second nature. So don't hold back. Dive in, play around, and flex those coding muscles. Keep experimenting and you'll be a JSX pro in no time.